Hey y'all, and welcome back to I Am Beautiful Hustler TV. We are back with another collaboration, and today's has provided by Hermosa Hair. Now in the package I got the melt band. Of course I got some, 2 packs of HD caps. Well, not 2 packs, but you know what I mean. Some makeup brushes. I also received some press-on nails, some lashes. They also gave me, of course, the 26 inch, sorry y'all, a 360 water wave curly wig. Of course, they give you the little information card on, like, what to expect, how the wig comes. They also gave me some little lace tape, and it also came with some lace tape in the side of, on the sides of the wig. But here is the wig fresh out of the packaging, y'all. It already came with the lace pre-cut and pre-bleached, and it did come with 2 strips of lace tape on the side. This is a 360, like, invisible strap wig. So in the inside, it has a strap, but it also has like these 2 little sides with the clear strings, and you pull those, strings to tighten the wig up. And, I'm going to do that on this video as well. And, of course, the extra strap in the inside of the wig. And like I said, everything is pre-bleached and pre-cut. Now, y'all know, when it comes to these pre-cut wigs, I have a love-hate relationship. Because, for one, the wig never matches my hairline. And all that cutting a lace for me, I really don't care for it. But so basically, I'm going to have to put my wig far down and recut the lace out to match my hairline. So today, of course, I'll be using everything from the Thebhslay. Y'all know the rebrand is happening, or has already happened, depending on when you see this video. Black Friday, November 29th. The rebrand is happening. So excited. Yeah, period, per. Okay. And moving right along today, y'all, I did not care to do no ball cap. So we're going to skip the ball cap, and we're just going to get straight into adding the adhesive to my hairline. I went ahead with my skin protectant first, and now I'm using 2 layers of my Lace Melt Extreme. And I'm just taking my little spreader, spraying that on out. And then I'm going to also remove the lace tape that's on the inside of the wig on the corners, because me personally, I do not like lace tape. Like, I do not like lace tape. I think it's very, very harsh, and also it hurts when you're trying to peel that thing off. Like, ugh. I don't care for the lace tape. So I'm going to go in with my adhesive every time. So yeah, that's just on period. So after adding my second layer and this glue turns clear, we're going to go ahead and place that wig right on down on that hairline, blow dry it in, all that, okay? So yeah, let's get into it. So I'm going to go ahead and tack down that lace. Like I said, I know right now it's very, very far down, but guess what? We're going to get all that together, so y'all don't even worry, because I'm not walking around looking like no crazy person. Okay? And that's just on period. So I'm just going to go ahead and press that one in. I'm just going to, give it a nice little firm pressure on my fingertips, going in with my comb and just combing everything back. And then, of course, you already know I'm going to go in with that melt belt, the original, and tie that thing on down, because we need that thing nice and secure and stuck. And once we remove that melt belt, we're going to go in with the razor and cut off that extra lace. Yes, so y'all see how all that has to go, because we're not walking around here looking stupid with all this extra hair in the front. So I have parted off where my hairline naturally starts, and therefore I get to open up my forehead center area. The side area was pretty much cool because my sides are already naturally low, but for that center, baby, yeah, we had to cut that off. And anything we needed to do extra, if I needed to pluck or anything, I could have just did that afterwards. But now I'm going to go ahead and cut the extra lace from around the ears, and then once we do that, we will tack down any edges that's still lifting, making sure that I apply the same amount of adhesive that I did under those areas that I did with my install in general. So going back in with that Lace Melt Extreme. Now, for those who don't know, if you are new here, but if you are returning and you still don't know, For the rebrand, we have two types of glues. We have our Lace Melt Adhesive Max and we have our Lace Melt Adhesive Extreme. Now, both glues are very strong, very much waterproof, all of that. Now, with the Extreme, my Extreme adhesive is for my heavy sweaters, girls who like to work out on the regular, or be a person that do a lot of sweating in general, or a person who likes to, get wet a lot. That's strictly for you, for my heavy sweaters. But both adhesives are extremely strong. They're both waterproof and everything like that. They both give you a very firm facelifting type install. Okay, so you pick the one that works best for you. And yeah, and as y'all can see, I didn't even spray no holding spray yet. No nothing. I haven't even tied it down, and the wig is already pretty stuck on there. So now we're gonna go ahead and get into, section out the sides for my baby hairs and all of that, and then we're gonna go in and add my melting spray. And my melting spray is new to the collection, y'all. Period. And y'all know how, like, most of the times when people test their glue out, they always do it after they be done, add all the holding sprays and all that. But no, y'all already know when it comes to my products, I like to push the limits and make sure, like, I'm getting a nice, secure hold. But moving right along, y'all, because this is a 360 wig, I am going to do an updo look. So this is style that I've been seeing, for a little while, that I had in my phone. I'm like, you know what? Let me start recreating the looks that I save in my phone. Like, I save all these looks in my phone and I never recreate them. So I'm like, let me do one today. And the style that I'm doing today is going to be a high ponytail, nice and fluffy, but I wanted to create a side swoop with it. Now, at first, I was just going to do like a little curly bang, but I was like, no, let's go all the way in and actually, do a swoop with the ponytail. And I love updos on me. I rarely do them. So when I do them, like, I really love them. So right now I'm just sectioning out the side for the baby hairs. I'm only doing a sideburn on that side. And now I'm going in with my wax stick, which we also changed the name, y'all. So it's no more Glam Wax. Now we're going to call it the So Sleek wax stick, period. And I'm going in with my beautiful Hustler hot comb as well, y'all. Y'all know we dropping the hot combs and everything. Like, it's so tea this time around. I cannot wait for y'all to get it. But now we're going in with my melting spray. You just want to spray it on your hairline. And once you do that, of course, go back in with the original melt belt, tie it down. And this is what it looks like after 5 minutes. Y'all see that? A moment of silence. Okay, period. The wig is not going nowhere, stuck like Chuck, okay? So now we're going to go ahead and get straight into cutting these baby hairs. I just went in with an eyebrow razor, and you want to cut it at an angle, because when you cut it at an angle, it creates a certain type of swoop. So we're just going to cut, curl, and also I wanted to push the limits like I always say, y'all. My melting spray was originally for my lace, to melt the lace really perfect and give you a nice secure hold. But I said, why not go all the way? Like, I'm so used to using even for everything. I'm like, no, because the goal is to push my own brand, not promote everybody else's, okay? So I'm going to use my melting spray to also swoop and secure my baby hairs. So I'm taking my melting spray, spraying it on the back of my edge brush, and I am swooping right away in the same firm hold that your holding spray gives when you do your baby hairs is the same firm hold that your melting spray would give you. And y'all can see it is stuck, baby. It is still movable if you need to adjust, but baby, the edges are secure. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of the baby hairs, and then we'll get into the ponytail. Okay, and still going in with the baby hairs, and then we are finished using my melting spray to melt my lace in completely and secure it, even more, and then, being able to swoop the baby hairs, very much tea. So now we're going in with the wax stick, and I'm just going to add wax all around my perimeter area to where my little swoop is going to be, and going in with my beautiful Hustler hot comb that gets to 500 degrees, period. and just pressing out all of those surrounding areas. I kind of left out some like long sideburns to kind of give me a little, a little something extra, okay? But y'all, absolutely love this wig. So full, so fluffy, and the ponytail, as y'all seen in the beginning, so pretty. So pretty. Like, I love updos on me. So I was like, okay, let's do a 360. And because, people don't really wear full lace wigs no more like that. Nobody really want the glue in the back of their neck like that anymore. So a 360 wig is definitely perfect if you want to get that half up, half down ponytail type of look, like, especially one with the invisible scraps. I'm not gonna lie, this wig is very nice, very convenient, and I'm definitely gonna keep this one. I don't know if this one gonna be in no what's that sale I be having? Refurbished sale, y'all. I'm gonna have to keep this one to myself now, because I love me a good little ponytail. But nevertheless, I'm taking my bang area and I'm just putting some clips because, we gonna get that situated afterwards. But now I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how to tighten the back of this wig up. So I'm gonna turn around to the back. Y'all, ooh, excuse the armpits. Lord Jesus, that's not ladylike. But right here, I'm taking the invisible straps and I'm tightening it on both sides. So I'm pulling and pushing the little clear thing down, and that's how you keep it secure. Then I'm also gonna take the teeth of that, the scrap, and kind of place the teeth under the thick black scrap that's already in the wig. And then of course I have to tuck in those clear strings, and you want to make sure you cover your stocking cap all the way up, okay? And then after I do that, I'm also gonna put down some like drop pieces on the back of the wig, like some curly pieces to drop down, and then I'm gonna end up razoring up those areas really nice and short. But this is what it looks like. You want to make sure you cover all of that up, okay? I know it's a little, but cover that up as much as possible, okay? Y'all see me trying to make sure I'm straight, so I'll be walking around embarrassing myself. So yeah, now I'm just taking those little short drop down pieces that I had in the back and just raising them down, cutting it down nice and short, because I'm like, you want to add a little spice, a little a little hey, y'all know. So now I'm taking all of the hair to the front. I'm taking a big wide tooth comb and just combing everything up and creating a very high ponytail for myself. I didn't want no straight back ponytail. I wanted my ponytail to be like very high up, because I knew I was going to do like a little braid to go around it. And I'm just pulling it tight. And now I'm going to go in with my, got to be holding spray and spraying it on that front part and just smoothing all of that out. So we about to get into it. So off camera, I went ahead and made me a little plait, and I just kind of like puffed it out to make it like a butterfly effect, and I just wrapped it around my little ponytail. Ooh, I'm feeling my little ponytail, child. Y'all know y'all never really catch me in ponytails, but I'm gonna chop the ends up just a little bit so it's not so stringy. And what I end up doing was cutting the front part a little bit, and because at first I told y'all I was gonna do like a little curly bang with the ponytail, but then I was just like, no, I'm not feeling that. So I end up cutting it at first because I didn't want it to be too long, because this wig is a 26-inch. But then I was like, you know what? Let's swoop it. So I went back in with my hot comb, and we're just going to press it out really good. And now I'm going in with that even holding spray just to, firm up my little area right there. And then I'm going to comb it down to start creating my swoop. And y'all know when I swoop, baby, I'm gonna swoop. I love my swoop to go across that forehead, low to the, like, on them brows, all that. Like, I really love my swoop to be swoop. And if y'all really know me for real, y'all know I love me a swoop, period. And if you really know me, y'all know I'm a swoop and crimps kind of girly, okay? So I went ahead Added my swoop, and you know, just gonna secure it with some more holding spray, just combing it until I get the desired look. I went and added a bobby pin, and you know, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna pin it kind of like behind my ear and just let it hang a little bit, to, you know, just add some fullness to my ponytail. But later on, I did end up pinning up the rest of that hanging hair up. But this is what it looks like, just making sure everything is super secure. I'm gonna give y'all a 360. I ain't gonna lie, now that bun would have ate too. But yes, that's how the back of the wig looks. Very secure, very cutesy, very girl la. And yes, I hope y'all love this install. I love this ponytail look. Super pretty. Make sure y'all check out my description details down below on where to get this wig from Hermosa Hair. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I hope y'all head to that website when it's time, baby. Y'all see that thing swinging? Oh, that thing look good. Okay, period. Thank y'all for watching. Love you, beauties. Bye.